Welcome to the MicroMolar Podcast, Biotech Signals Series. Today is Tuesday, May 26, 2026.
Here are the top signals we're tracking today.
Lilly is buying 3 vaccine biotechs for up to $3.8 billion. The deals mark a major infectious disease expansion and signal Lilly wants to compete beyond obesity and diabetes.
Gilead won FDA approval for its hepatitis D drug after a prior rejection. The approval gives Gilead a meaningful win in a serious liver disease with limited treatment options.
Lilly and Verve reported strong early cholesterol reductions from a PCSK9 base editing therapy. If the data hold, this could move cardiovascular care toward one-time gene editing treatment.
AstraZeneca secured EU support for a breast cancer drug despite a tougher FDA advisory panel stance. The split shows how global regulators may interpret the same oncology evidence differently.
GOP China panel leadership is targeting biotech deals involving Chinese entities. This could create new political risk for cross-border R&D, licensing, and M&A.
Datraway won a key breast cancer approval for Daiichi Sankyo and AstraZeneca. The decision strengthens their ADC franchise and expands options in breast cancer treatment.
Lilly's triple G obesity drug delivered another major win. The readout reinforces Lilly's lead in next-generation weight loss drugs.
Merck and Kelun's lung cancer data further validated the sac-TMT and Keytruda pairing. The results suggest TROP2 ADC combinations could become a major new frontline oncology strategy.
Recordity received a major tender offer as specialty pharma deal activity stays hot. The move reflects strong investor appetite for durable, cash-generating pharma assets.
Moderna's mRNA flu shot is heading to an FDA advisory committee. A favorable outcome would help Moderna prove its mRNA platform can expand meaningfully beyond COVID.
Novartis sees Avidity's science as applicable beyond muscular dystrophy. That broadens the potential strategic value of antibody oligonucleotide delivery technology.
Biogen and Denali are discontinuing a Parkinson's drug after a mid-stage failure. The setback underscores how difficult it remains to develop disease-modifying therapies for neurodegeneration.
OSE reported a Phase 2 ovarian cancer win with a Keytruda-containing regimen. Positive follow-up could open a path toward larger registrational studies in a difficult cancer setting.
Merck and Kelun's sac-TMT combo improved progression-free survival by 65% over Keytruda alone at ASCO. If confirmed, the data could reshape first-line lung cancer treatment.
Abrant's successor data and Tubulis-related ASCO readouts are drawing attention. The updates point to intensifying competition in breast cancer and next-generation oncology platforms.
VEGF bispecific data from BioNTech, BMS, Pfizer, and 3SBio are being compared with Summit and Akeso's drug. This could become one of the next major competitive fronts in immuno-oncology.
Drug makers are presenting new post-Keytruda options in head and neck cancer. The goal is to address patients who stop responding to PD-1 therapy and still have limited options.
Pfizer is expanding infectious disease ambition through new vaccine development. The company's interest in pathogens like hantavirus and Ebola shows continued investment in high-consequence vaccines.
Utica's AI prescribing experiment is testing how algorithms can guide real-world medication decisions. The program could become an early case study for clinical AI adoption and oversight.
Swoop acquired Nimble RX, combining healthcare advertising with digital pharmacy infrastructure. The deal shows how pharma marketing, patient engagement, and prescription fulfillment are increasingly converging.
Vas Narasimhan is joining Anthropic's board. The move deepens the link between big pharma leadership and frontier AI companies.
Novo Nordisk is losing key obesity talent while Boehringer gains leadership in the field. The moves matter because obesity remains the most commercially important race in pharma.
And those are the biotech signals for today. Thanks for tuning in to the MicroMolar Podcast.
Visit micromolar.com for more information. See you next time.